Today is officially the day we are moving into the new booth. All of this is going into the booth. All of the Christmas is going home with us. And we only have 2.5 hours to get it done. Luckily, I have a little help.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
Yeah.
As I reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way.
And then now you need like a little bird.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Yeah. And now I'm like
Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way.
Thanks to Courtney and Matt and Liam, this space is done. It's amazing how fast it transforms from one to the other and then back again. It has to be. We made it, but that was a big task. Luckily, I had help. Not everything meshes well together right now, but I'm hoping that it does soon or in the future. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how it does and changes that I want to make over the next couple weeks. But I think the big task was getting moved and getting new stuff up, and that was definitely accomplished today. This is what it looks like.
everything's alright with the fire in the sky on my skin.
I'm still amazed at how much we were able to get done in a day. I think this might still be a good spot to build a wall in the future, but everything else just worked out so well with this space.
It was hours.
Hours. We didn't even have a full day. It was just hours. And we were able to get all of this done, mostly because I had help, which I'm so grateful for. I think I did catch a little bit of a Christmas cold, so it's been nice, especially today, to have people help me out and get this done. I'm also excited because the space will be really good for bigger furniture that you've noticed I've had in the garage. That will be the next thing that comes up. But thank you for following along today. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you take a second to do that, and we'll see you next week with a new project. I have been very eager to get started painting this, so I wanted to come out here and get some before shots and start.
I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up.